Respirator masks can protect adults from wildfire smoke, air pollution, and the dust and fumes of some home renovation projects. After 50 hours of research and testing, we're confident that the comfortable, durable, widely available 3M8511 and 3M8210 disposable N95 respirators are the ones to get. Here are the best respirator masks of varying sizes, weights, and materials, according to hours of side-by-side tests. Number 1, 3M Half Facepiece Reusable Respirator Mask, for ultimate protection. Against sawdust, vapors, and harmful fumes, get your hands on the 3M Respirator Mask. With its dual airline systems, this respirator mask allows you to breathe freely and comfortably while working in hazardous environments. This product has soft and comfortable edges that create a secure seal around the mouth and nose but don't push against the cheeks, with adjustment points at both temples and the back of the head. You can easily customize it for a secure and snug fit according to your comfort level. Since this respirator mask is Occupational Safety and Health Administration (OSHA) approved, it's also less likely to clog up with dirt or grime than other products, making it more effective at protecting your lungs from irritants. This harness doesn't restrict the range of movement or compromise a good seal. The 6300 is lightweight, compact, and comes in a few sizes. Users can fit them with a variety of cartridges, available here, allowing them to customize their protection level. Against specific particles, pros: soft and comfortable facepiece, easy to clean and maintain, comes in a storage bag, guaranteed quality. Cons: doesn't come with cartridges and filters. Number 2, 3M Rugged Comfort Half Facepiece Respirator. The famous 3M brand is the Rugged Comfort Half Facepiece Respirator. One of the numerous things that immediately grabbed my interest is the quick latch mechanism integrated into this reusable respirator from 3M. I like the inclusion of this mechanism as it promotes ease in dropping it from your face without having to take off the straps on the head. This is very convenient each time you need to remove the mask for whatever reason. I am also delighted that I can easily breathe when I am wearing this respirator. I think the reason behind this is the proprietary cool flow valve unique to the 3M brand. This valve is designed in a way that it can help in the significant reduction of moisture and heat, thereby supporting smooth and easy breathing. It boasts of its low-profile construction. 2. Being low-profile is a strength for this respirator because this promotes a wider field of view for users. In addition, this design makes the reusable respirator compatible with grinding and welding shields. The complete resilient face seal made of silicone is also a nice addition because it is stable, comfortable, and durable. It promotes a soft and comfortable yet firm and secure seal. It is lightweight but still showcases adequate ruggedness and strength to endure extreme conditions and long hours of use. Number 3, GVS Elipse P100 SPR 457 Half Mask Respirator. It is a reusable respirator mask, which caught my interest at first because of its patented design that is distinct and unique from the others. This respirator is built in a way that it can fit your face's natural shape and contours. I am thrilled to say that this limited edition respirator, which really works well for spray paints, is lightweight and flexible. It is also available in various sizes based on the user's facial features. It is flexible enough that it is capable of adapting to the shape of your face. One more thing that I can say is fascinating about this respirator is its low breathing resistance. It is also effective in significantly reducing the risk of moisture buildup. I love the wild field of view brought on by this respirator's low-profile design. It is lightweight and compact, so using it will surely be hassle-free. The respirator also delivers a good performance in terms of protecting wearers from dust and other particles that trigger lung and respiratory diseases. One more thing that is impressive is that it features an adjustable and non-slip strap. You can easily adjust it in up to 4 positions to improve comfort while keeping you safe even when using it in environments that are wet or have high humidity. Number 4, Parcil Distribution PT100 Full Face Respirator. Harsh chemicals can wreak havoc on your lungs. To keep those nasty fumes at bay, you need a high-quality full mask respirator. The Parcil Distribution PT100 is a great choice. It features a full-face impact-resistant lens to help you see as well as possible. It also has ratcheting pull straps that quickly and easily adjust to your head. It has a soft silicone seal around your nose and mouth to create the best possible barrier against fumes and gases. It also comes with 2 activated charcoal filters, so it's effective against several chemicals right out of the box. You can purchase replacement filters for the PT100, available here. Thanks to its high-density elastic strap, you can put it on quickly. With its 5-point adjustable head harness, you can customize the fit of this respirator mask within seconds. Because of its anti-fog technology, impact-resistant material, and easy customization, this respirator mask is the best overall product on our list. Pros: feature a durable breathing valve, 2 cartridges for maximum protection, lightweight and comfortable to wear, easy pull-on closure. Cons: not compatible with glasses. Number 5, Baumau Respirator Mask. Are you ready to take your respiratory protection to the next level? The Baumau Respirator Mask is the perfect choice for anyone who wants a reliable yet comfortable mask that will give them the protection they need. Made from food-grade silicone material, this respirator mask features 2 cartridge filters that provide all-around protection from dust, bacteria, and other airborne contaminants. This half-face respirator mask comes with safety goggles that feature an anti-fog, splash-resistant, and shatterproof lens to protect your eyes from flying debris and chips. Unlike other safety goggles, this one has multiple inverted holes that improve ventilation. Designed with soft silicone molds, this option contours to the face shape and features a soft, flexible strap that makes it easy to wear and relieves pressure points. With this product, you'll also get 2 replaceable filter cartridges, 2 caps, disposable earplugs, and 6 cotton filters. Now that's what we call a great deal. Pros: food-grade silicone to minimize allergies, adjustable headband for a snug fit, filters gases and other particles, comes with replacement filters. Cons: doesn't come with an instruction manual.